Hi friends, I'm Ruth and welcome to my channel Count Your Blessings. Hope you all are doing good. For today's video, I'm taking part in the Useful DIY Challenge hosted by Mom from Momdas Life Handmade and co-hosted by Nicole from Nicole Northgarden DIY. I'll link their channels and the playlist in the description box below. Please be sure to check it out and have a wonderful crafting evening. Without further ado, let's get started.
For my entry, I'm making a dual tone vase and I'm reusing this cardboard flask box, and I'm going to cover it up with contact paper, marble contact paper and this wood grain contact paper. First step, I'm cutting out the lids and the side flaps. This vase can be done with any type of container, whatever shape and size you prefer. I had been saving this box for DIY, and so I thought I could use it this time. And since it's cardboard, even if the boys hit it with a ball, it's not going to break. I wiped it off any dirt, and then I'm going to wrap the contact paper on top. The wood grain can go lengthwise or sidewise, whichever you prefer. I did it lengthwise, but I think I should have done it sidewise. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. So the top half is going to be, top 3/4 is going to be the wood grain pattern, and the bottom 1/4 is going to be the marble pattern. So I was thinking of what to start with. Starting off with the wood grain pattern. I found this way a bit easier. You can do it whichever way you prefer. Either just peel off a corner and start sticking, or take out the entire backing and lay your object on it. To give it a cleaner look on top, I just folded it inside. And now for the bottom part. Keeping the not so pretty side at the back, that is the overlapping side at the back. Wrapped it around the edges to give it a more finished look. I also cut a small piece and put it in the bottom. I'm reusing these pretty pink peonies, and since the stems are already bent and it's wrapped with rubber band on top, they sat perfectly. And this is how the finished project looks. Let me know what you think about this vase and how you would do. Thank you Mom and Nicole for this lovely challenge. Please be sure to check out your channels and the playlist in the description box and let me know your thoughts. Until next time, take care, God bless, bye bye. Smile, Jesus loves you.